Form GSTR-4 is a yearly return which is to be filed by the registered taxpayer who was in composition scheme for any duration during that financial year. Form GSTR-4 annual return can be prepared and filed online on the GST portal. There is an Excel-based offline tool also through which GSTR-4 return can be prepared. This video guides you on how to prepare GSTR-4 annual return using offline utility. Let us first see how to download GSTR-4 offline tool. Go to GST portal and click the Downloads, Offline Tools and GSTR-4 Annual Offline Tool option. GSTR-4 Annual Offline Tool page is displayed. Click the Download button. Once downloaded, extract the files and open the GSTR-4 Annual Return Offline tool. Now, let us see how to prepare return using GSTR-4 Offline tool. The GSTR-4 Annual Offline tool has README, Home, and table-wise worksheets. Go through the README page carefully. Now, let us add details in each worksheet separately. Click here to add. Consolidated tax rate-wise details of inward supplies received from a registered supplier other than reverse charge which need to be provided in Table 4A of Form GSTR-4. After adding the relevant details, click here to validate the sheet before going to next table. This is to check if there are any sheet validation errors. In case of any errors, sheet is not validated and an error message is displayed as shown here. Click OK. This column is updated with the error message and errors in the sheet are highlighted in red color. Move your cursor on the red highlighted cell to read the error description. You can correct the errors by editing erroneous details. After correcting the errors, click the Validate Sheet button again. If there are no errors remaining, this column becomes blank and a success message is displayed. Similarly, you can add details in Worksheet 4B, Worksheet 4C, and Worksheet 4D. In Worksheet 6, enter your outward supply details tax rate-wise made during the financial year in rows 12 to 16. Click the Compute button. Now you can notice that the data related to inward supplies is auto-populated here from Table 4B, 4C and 4D in this worksheet. Worksheet 5 and 7 are non-editable and no data can be entered by you in these sheets. After you have entered details in all worksheets and successfully validated them, go to Home page and click here to generate JSON file. The data filled in Offline tool will be saved in JSON file format for uploading on GST portal. Let us see now how to upload JSON on GST portal. Log in to the GST portal. And from your dashboard, click the Annual Return button. Select the financial year and then click the Search button. Click here to upload the generated JSON file. The uploaded JSON file would be validated on the portal. Upon successful validation, status of the uploaded JSON file will change to Processed, and the details would be populated in respective tables of GSTR-4 on the GST portal. In case of validation failure, of one or more details upon processing of uploaded JSON file on the GST portal, status of the JSON file will be updated as processed with error. An error file will be generated which can be downloaded by clicking here. Now you can open generated error JSON file in offline tool. Let us now see how to rectify the errors using offline tool. Open the downloaded error report in offline utility by clicking here. The error records will be updated in the respective sheets with error description as remarks in this column. Go to respective records and correct each of them. After making the corrections, select the value of action as Add in drop-down towards the right side of the sheet. Now, click the Validate Sheet button. On successful validation, a confirmation message is displayed. Similarly, you can correct the errors and validate each sheet in the tool. Once validated, go to Home page. To generate JSON file for uploading on GST portal as explained earlier. You can thus prepare the return by directly entering details in the offline tool. You also have an option to log into the GST portal to download the data already filled online in Form GSTR4 on the portal in a JSON file format. To download the details, log into the GST portal and from your GSTR4 dashboard, click this button. Once downloaded, open the downloaded JSON file in offline tool by clicking here. You can now proceed with viewing, entering or editing details as already explained in this video. Log into the GST portal to make payment of taxes, interest and fees and file your GSTR4 annual return. It's that simple.